Hello, welcome to Canva Design School. We have some Canva tips from our very own Canvanauts to share with you. There's something for every level. Check it out.
And action. That's hot.
Yeah, look at her, she's ready.
So you just gotta wear them like this and flip them up. Now you've got that intro, don't you?
It begins.
G'day, my name's Nick.
Hello, my name is Gina.
My name's Nate.
Hi, I'm Enza.
Hey there, my name's Jonathan.
I'm Michaela.
I'm Andre.
I'm Denny. I'm Ellie, and this is Lola.
Hi, I'm Vel, a product educator at Canva. One of my favourite hacks when I'm brainstorming to create content is to use sort in whiteboards. So all you need to do is just highlight all of your stickies, go to the three dots, go to sort, and by topic. The AI enhancements will automatically have a look at all of my different ideas, put them together and generate top-level topics. Now that we've got our common themes grouped, we can quickly pick up and action the best ideas for our content.
My Canva tip is to use the background generate feature to make normal product shots feel like real life photo shoots. I'll click on this perfume bottle here, click edit, and then I'll go to background generator. Then from there, I might want to make this perfume bottle go in like a desert scene. I'll click generate and wait for Canva to magically give me a few options. And then I'll just pick the one that sort of looks the best. I really like this one. And my extra special tip is if you click on this lighting button here, you can choose something like maximum relight to really make your perfume bottle look like it's part of the scene.
The best hack that we've got is using keyboard shortcuts when you're presenting. It captures everyone's attention, including Lola's, and it's a really fun way to make your teammates feel included. So all I'll do is press present, and then to get people's attention and to make them shh, all I press is Q. Shh. Oh, Lola likes that one. Shh. The next one that I'll do is press D for drum roll. And finally, we'll press C for confetti to celebrate. You can find all of the shortcuts and more by pressing K or going to here on the menu. It's seriously such a good hack and you will blow your teammates away.
So my tip is something we do every day, just making new designs. So from any browser, if you just type canva.new, and that's going to open a new design for me. And I can do that for any doc type as well. So I can go canva.new/presentation or websites or whiteboards, and that's going to create something new for me. So that's my tip for you, canva.new.
My favourite Canva hack is canva.com/colours. You'll see a whole bunch of colour resources that are pre-made for you. Here you can explore a whole ton of different colour suggestions. You can screenshot your favourite, drag it into your uploads, pull it into your design, right-click, and apply your colours to the page. It's a really easy way to be able to explore, experiment, and play with colours in your design.
I've got a quick and easy one here, which is Magic Animate. All you have to do is click on the page, click Animate, then Magic Animate. Then the recommended style here is the handmade, that kind of stop motion, scrappy kind of style. It's a really quick way to add motion to my designs.
When timings are tight, I really like to use Canva AI generated speaker notes. Open up Canva Notes, click Generate Notes. AI will do some magic, and then you can hit actions, shorten notes, rewrite, make it more fun or more formal. It's nice and simple, really quick, and lets you deliver presentations in a flash.
I'm going to show you my favourite tip when I am working in Sheets for literally all of my project planning. You can literally just magic / anything you need if you're creating new columns. So for example, I want to mention here and I can tag anybody in it. If you want to add a date, a checkbox, a link, anything at all. And you can also do this in any design, not just Sheets. And that's me.
A really quick tip I want to share is how to swap around your photos when planning your Instagram grid. So if you select all your photos, you see a little icon that pops up. Now you can just shuffle your photos around, see which one works best next to each other, and that's just a very quick way to visualize how your grid will look like. That way you get the perfect grid every time.
So my favorite Canva tip that not many people know about is actually hidden within Canva Sheets. If you go to canva.me/sheetfreak2000, you're gonna see something pretty cool. It's a drum machine built right into Canva Sheets. Let me show you how it works.
Loved those tricks? For more tips, tutorials, and certifications, check out canva.com/design school.